In this video, I'm going to make vegan barbecue ribs. The very first thing we want to do is we want to take the tofu and slightly press it to remove some of the liquid, but still keeping the integrity of the block of tofu together. And then just go ahead and cut the tofu in the size of rib bites that you want to have. Me, I cut it in 2/4. The tofu itself needs to dry out a bit and it needs to toughen up. So I add it to an air fryer and let it air fry for a good 20 minutes to really start that process. While the tofu is drying and kind of hardening out a bit, that's when you go ahead and bring together your ingredients for your sauce, for your seasoning. Just bring it together, mix it up, and go ahead and set it aside. When the tofu is done from the air fryer, go ahead and remove it and just go ahead and dip it into the seasoning. Go ahead and let it marinate. You can let it marinate for minutes, hours, or even a day. The longer you let it marinate, the more it's going to infuse with the seasoning and the flavors. When you have that marinating process done, then you're going to go ahead and add it to a rice wrapper. I used the circle rice wrappers and just cut them in half and folded over the rice wrapper to completely cover the tofu, the seasoned tofu. When that tofu is fully wrapped, go ahead and add it to a tray, and you can either bake it or you can air fry it. But the key is that you need to do this long enough to make the rice wrapper crispy. If the rice wrapper is not crispy, the longer it sits, it's going to get kind of a slimy, soft texture, and that's not the texture we want for these vegan barbecue ribs. We want to make sure that we have a little bit of a crispy skin on the outside. Making these vegan barbecue ribs is simple, but it's absolutely fantastic. I love the flavor of these vegan barbecue ribs. I really enjoy the crispiness that comes about from the rice wrapper, but it also helps keep all that marinade in, keep all of that flavor locked into the tofu. So it's an absolutely fantastic recipe. Definitely enjoy this. I'm just getting started here. There's a lot more great recipes to come in the future, and if you have any anything that you want to see me make or any suggestions, feel free to leave me a comment or shoot me a message, however you want. I'm here to help you all expand your time in the kitchen and really help you cater your dietary needs and your lifestyle to the foods that you want to be having, so that way you're not missing out on anything, because why should you be missing out, right? Food's fantastic and you should have fun with it and enjoy it. So everyone, I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon.